back to Burkeshire Farm. My name's Jackie.
And I'm Frank.
Today we are going to clean up the fence.
Yes, we got a fence line along the one side here that looking pretty bad, and unfortunately we're going to have to clean it the poor man's way with these and our Husqvarna.
And the Husqvarna. So I've already done 2 swipes with the Husqvarna. We don't have the bagger hooked up to it because the grass is so tall, it's just going to get clogged if we do. But we're seeing how well it's going to do to clear this fence line so that we can have a nice clean fence line. And
yeah,
I've done 2 swipes so far and it's going really well.
Going good. And that grass is, I'm going to say, a good 1.5 feet because it's so tall that it's kind of laying over. And as you can see, they came in the last video, cut all the field, baled it, and now we got this ugly fence line that we're going to deal with today.
So we thought we'd bring you along so you could see how well the Husqvarna does.
And how well these do.
And how well the hands do pulling up these long weeds.
Yes.
All right, let's get to work, honey.
All right. Budging. What? Mommy? I'm not sure what these are. I know it's a weed, but it's almost like they grow along on a tuber or something. They're not real hard to get off. They break off of a main root, it seems like, though. Like it's like some kind of a tuber or something in the ground. You gotta use my trusty broken shovel. Broke it off earlier.
So this is a main tuber that Frank just pulled out, and you can see all the little branches that are coming off of here. Here's one of them that he pulled. So this may be a battle that we're going to battle for a very long time. Oh, that one had ants on it too. Yeah. That bit me. So out there you can still see, right about there, you can still see that there's tall grass. Well, that's because the farrow hogs get into the pasture and they destroy the ground and makes it too rough for the tractors to be able to go over. So eventually one day we're going to till probably a good portion, if not all, of this area. The other thing, I'm going to bring you over here to show you what we have to deal with.
Look at them all.
Oh.
I didn't think it was alive, but it is. Thousands came out of there.
Here's another thing. that we get to deal with all the time are all these ants. I know we did a video on how to get rid of them. But
Yep.
you can just see them all over crawling
Yep.
like crazy.
And they're mad.
Yep, Frank ticked them off. So I have my solution here today, but it's over by the trailer. I might come back maybe later on today or tomorrow and get this particular one, but there's a whole bunch on the other side I need to get today. And then another thing we have to deal with is up here.
Because that's probably an anthill.
No, I get that right down here. I don't know if you can see it. And that there
Oh yeah, it goes all the way back in there.
is an armadillo hole. And we have to deal with the armadillo. So I think this here is dirt
From there.
from them digging it out.
Yep. Yeah, it sure is.
So I don't think I'm going to run over that with the tractor though. I think I'm going to go around it and we can use the weed eater.
I'm gonna take the shovel and try to fill some of that back in.
Okay. And because we have a weed eater that we brought out to get the areas that we can't get with the lawnmower. But I get to go ahead and start doing this area a little bit. So there's not as many of the kind of fern-like weeds here, but over here are Frank's favorites, little baby pine trees that are starting to grow. I guarantee you he's gonna take those out.
I know what I want to get out of here.
I got a couple of, I got it on the tape.
I wonder if those will come out.
They do. 'Cause I got some of them, but those are too big.
Oh yeah, I can get them. Look at that sucker. Uh-huh. Pine tree. We're good up to here.
Yeah?
Except for I got a couple on the outside I gotta get to. These damn things, man, I'll tell you what, they're hard.
Well, that's because they're a tree. They're a real tree. I'll go kick this them.
Honey, I'll get it.
I can get it. I can't get those. I've already tried. See, we had a gate.
Oh.
We just go right through the gate. Nope.
Yeah, I'll put a gate right there. Where I was talking about. It's a pain in the butt, honey. I'll take it.
What?
I'll take it.
No,
It's
I
a
want to.
pain in the butt.
I want to. I can do this job.
There it is again. Right there. Yep. And right here we got another baby pine tree. And I'm hoping I can get them out. Oh, golly, I don't care if I got to go rent a bulldozer. Okay, you get all the way up there.
All right.
You get all the way through here.
I think so, yeah.
That pine tree's on the other side of the fence. I have to get it from the other side.
Yeah. Still the inside. That's as close as I can get.
It looks nice, honey. 10 times better than it did.
Yeah. Should we weed whack? Break that all out?
Yep.
Nice.
I think so. Ta-da!
That's beautiful. That's the way it's supposed to look. Now the goal is to keep it that way. It looks so much nicer. Beautiful, beautiful. So the Husqvarna pulled through again and really is doing a nice job. We're not going to show you videoing the whole pasture. It's going to take us quite some time. We're going to be out here for a week during Thanksgiving, the holiday season, so I think that's one of our jobs we're going to do is at least get the rest of this fence done and one of the fences over there. But the Husqvarna is pulling through all those heavy weeds and tall grass, and it's doing fantastic. So once again, it's another win-win for the Husqvarna.
We love our little Husqvarna, that's for sure.
Yes.
Well, again, thank you very much for clicking on our channel. And if you would, please just take a minute, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, The like button helps us out here on the farm. It helps get our videos out in front of more and more people. And we really do appreciate you coming along with us today.
Until next time, have a blessed day.
God bless. She's not going to go without making a fire. It was all wet. It was kind of moist and it wouldn't really go. So she went and got some brown stuff to make it go.
Right.
Oh no, that got my socks. No, you got toys in the trailer.
They're not smelly like your socks.